Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain how to use 10-day and 40-day momentum indicators with volume on TradingView. This tool can help you spot trends and make smarter trading decisions. Let's keep it simple. I will guide you step by step. First, what is market momentum? First, let's talk about momentum. In trading, momentum shows us the speed at which prices are moving. It's not about the actual price, but how fast the prices are going up or down. For example, if prices are rising faster, we say the market has strong upward momentum, and if they slow down, it could start falling momentum. Now let us go to TradingView and set up 40-day and 10-day momentum indicators. So I have opened EuroFX in TradingView, and we'll go to Indicators, and we'll search for MOM and we'll get the momentum indicator. We will click 2 times, so this one will be our 10-day momentum indicator, and this one we can change it to 40 days. So now that we have added both 10 and 40-day momentum lines for the chart, let's talk about how to rate them. The 10-day line is more sensitive. It reacts fast to price changes and it shows a short-term momentum, and if the line is above 0, it means the market is moving up. If it is below 0, it means it's going down, so in 10 days it will be more sensitive. So let's see, this one is below 0 till there you can see that the market is down, and this one is above 0, so here it is an uptrend. Similarly, this one is showing up in a trend. Now let's see about the 40-day moving average. So 40-day line is smoother and it helps you to see longer-term trends, and if it is going up the market is strong, and if it's topping it shows the weakness. So here you can also see that right now it is below 0 at this point, and then it is rising delay. From this point from where it is getting positive, and hence, it's rising, so we can confirm with both indicators MOM10 and MOM40, then the price trend is going to reverse. So as you can see that the market varies, that there will be one inverse, the trend will reverse, and it is now in bullish, so we can confirm with both trends 40-day momentum indicator. We can also add volume as it tells us how much trading is happening, and add volume we can go to indicators and search for volume and click on this to add to a chart. Now we'll see how to use momentum indicators along with the volume to confirm both the buy and sell signals. So first we'll see where for the buy signal. As you can see that first the market is in a downtrend at this point and each low is lower than the previous one. So you can see that this low is lower than the previous one. So you can see the same pattern in MOM40, that this low is lower than the previous one and this low is lower than the previous one. So now what will happen that after some time, the amount will not make any lower low and it will start moving flat, or slightly it will start rising. So this is the moment that it is called a bullish divergence, and this tells that the price is still falling, but the downward momentum is weakening and suggesting a possible reversal. So I just drawing this rectangle capturing this movement. So as I can see that price is like dropping, and not just dropping, but it is still not giving up what moments. So at this point it is just consolidating, and we can say this point is a bullish divergence. And we can now confirm with volume where we have to enter the market. So before that we said that the MOM will stop making new lower lows and it will either be flat and it will start rising. It is moving flat, and there this lower low, it is not making any lower low. Instead, as you can see that it started uprising at this point. Similarly, the price is moving in an uptrend, so before the price started moving in the chart, the momentum indicator is indicating that now the trend is going to reverse. Now to understand this better, as you can see it is making a rounding top and bottom pattern. If you have seen it yet, it is a good way to understand that now the reversal will start. So I just opened this rounding pattern, so here we can see a rounding bottom in which the price is just consolidating at this level, and this is called a resistance level, in which it will break the previous lower low. At this point, once it breaks, the reversal will start, and the market will move. So as you can see in the same pattern, it is a rounding bottom, and this I can say is resistance, and to break this resistance along with volume and momentum indicator, it is given uprising a clear high uprising movement. So at this moment, we can understand that the uprising moment has started, and it's a good time to enter the market. So now, we will confirm with volume. You can see these bars which are below. So this part, this green bar, which means that more number of bars are there in the previous one, the volume has increased, and this bar is that more number of buyers are there purchased at some point. So we can enter in a market where once you break this resistance, then you can see that there is like a sudden rise in the price, and we can make a profit when the market goes up. So this is for bullish. This is for when this was how to use MOM and volume confirmation for buying signal, and now we will look for the sell signal. So similarly, so for sell signal, we will look for a bearish divergence where the price is still rising but MOM is weakening, and then confirm the signal with high volume to validate the potential market row. So in bearish divergence, what will happen? That each high is like when the market is in an uptrend, the price is making higher rise, means that each high is higher than the previous ones. How we can decide that this high is higher than the previous one, this high is higher than the previous one, this high is higher than the previous one, and this high is higher than the previous one. So this is the indication that the market is in uptrend, but this high is not higher than the previous one, which means at this point, the market is consolidating, or maybe they is divergence started at this point. So when the price is like, you can see that the price is almost same and it's not rising too much. Okay, in this level the MOM indicator shows that it is not making new higher. So let us see M40 that here it's making new higher highs. but here it just stopped making new higher rise. If you can compare with both signal, as you can see that this higher high is more than the previous than the next one, and we can see that the better is divergence has started now to enter the market. We will confirm with volume. So in which we will confirm with the sell volume. If we look for the high sell volume, we will enter the market. So again, if you see that the market is now in downtrend and it started making new lower lows, so now we also confirm with the chart. Now we will wait for the moment when we have to take position for selling. So we'll wait for the higher volume. So as you can see that at this point we can see a good amount of volume at the previous one. We can enter the market at this level here. As you can see, one number of parties rate bars are for seller. So this rate, as you can see, the more number of sellers have entered the market, and again similarly at this point, and in this case it will make rounding top pattern. So this is for theories pattern longing top, and how we can understand it's breaking the support level. So let's say this point is support level, so we will wait for the market to break the support level, then we can enter the market, and then we can enter and start selling. So at this level it went down with higher volume and it break the support level. So it is better that we can enter market it here and force what selling, and then as you can see the market is going down and we can make profit from selling, and that's it. You know how to use the trend on 40-day momentum indicators with only one TradingView. Remember, these tools can help you support trends early, but always check the bigger market trend before making any trades.